Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're watching this video and you are in great shape and great health. So today I'm gonna share with you this Snickers cake. I actually have this video from before in my channel in Arabic. I'm gonna leave the link. Anybody who wants to see in Arabic, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. So I done this one a couple of years ago for my son's friend's birthday. So this year I made the same thing. I'm just gonna show you the ingredients and everything in English. So it's 300 grams of flour, 300 grams of sugar, and 300 grams of soft butter, 125 grams of peanut butter. This is the one I used. 5 eggs, 4 tablespoons of milk, and 2 sachets of baking powder. So this is I did two different cakes, chocolate cake and peanut butter cake. So this is the peanut butter cake. So first thing we do in the mixer, we put the butter with the sugar and the peanut butter, and we're gonna mix them up in a high speed for about 6-8 minutes until it's all become fluffy and lighter in color. As you can see. So now I'm gonna add the eggs one by one. Then we can add the sifted flour, 300 grams as I said, and the baking powder. And just mix it just until it's mixed together, so not too much, just a little bit, so it doesn't get overworked. Lastly, I'm gonna add the 4 tablespoons of milk, just cold normal milk. That's it. So this is a little bit thick, so I first used this mold, and then it was too small, so I changed it. So you're gonna see the mold I used in the chocolate one I made, so I changed it. I didn't use the same mold. So just put some butter on it and flour, and then I'm gonna put it 180 on the oven. So now the chocolate cake, I have 3 eggs, 210 grams of flour, 300 grams of sugar, 55 grams of cocoa powder, 200 ml of water, 175 ml of oil, and 200 ml of buttermilk, 1 sachet of baking powder. So this is the buttermilk I used. I bought it from the Arabic shop. They sell it in the supermarkets as well. So this chocolate cake is very easy to use. We just take a bowl, mix all the dry ingredients together, and then another bowl we mix all the wet ingredients together, and then just mix them. So I'm gonna leave you the ingredients on the description box. Now we're gonna add all the wet ingredients. That's it. I'm gonna mix them together just by hand. You don't have to use the machine or anything, and then just put it in a bowl, and again 180 on the oven until it's cooked thoroughly. That's the bowl I used for both of them. So each cake I cut it on two, so it'll be 4 layers. So it's going to be 1 layer peanut butter cake and 1 layer is chocolate cake. Now for the ganache, I have 300 grams of dark chocolate, 50% dark, and 150 grams of butter, 150 grams of cream, double cream. So I'm gonna put the butter and the chocolate and melt it on the microwave, and then I'm gonna add the cream on top of it. So this is very easy ganache to use if you want to spread it around the cake so it doesn't dry quickly and it's becomes like shiny because of the butter. So the peanut butter cream, I'm gonna use 150 grams of soft butter with 80 grams of peanut butter. I'm gonna mix them really good together in the machine, high speed, for about 8 minutes, 10 minutes, until fluffy and creamy and it changes to a light color. As you can see, so now I'm gonna add 350 grams of icing sugar. If you want it less sweet, you can add less icing sugar. Lastly, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of milk, cold milk. That's it. So now for the assembly, I put it here in this mold to help me make it like leveled. So I have peanuts, unsalted peanuts roasted, and I have caramel. I have my chocolate cake, I cut it in two, and my peanut butter cake, I cut it in two as well. So the first layer I'm gonna do the peanut butter cake, and I'm gonna put some buttercream. Then I'm gonna put some caramel in the middle. And some peanuts. And then I'm gonna put a chocolate cake, and again the same thing with the cream and the caramel and the peanut, and keep going until I reach my last layer. I just decided to put it all over. Some peanuts, and keep going until you finish all the layers. So this year I made for her brother, he asked me as well to make the cake and I made the same cake. It's just the decoration from outside that I changed it, so I will show you in the end how it looks like. You know, you can just an idea. That's it. Put the last layer on. So I'm gonna put first like light layer of the ganache just to seal everything in. As you can see, very easy to spread. And just I'm gonna put this in the fridge to cool down. And then I'm gonna put the next layer. Goes on very easy. That's it. I'm just gonna try to fix it a little bit. And when it's dry, I put a little bit of the ganache on the microwave and a little bit of caramel. So just melt them a little bit so that they can be easy for me to use on top of the cake for decoration. So then I'm gonna put like lines in opposite directions of caramel and the chocolate ganache. Just let it drip from the sides. And then the other side I'm gonna do the chocolate ganache. That's it, just a really simple decoration. I'm gonna put some lines of peanuts. And just put some Snickers. And there you have it, a chocolate cake and peanut butter Snicker cake. I added those silver papers edible. You don't have to add them, just a little bit of extra. there's the cake. So that was the last time I made it. As I said, there is an Arabic version in my channel. I'm gonna leave the link on the description box with the ingredients as well. So I'm gonna show you now in the end of the video the one I made now. So I just took a little bit of the buttercream that I used inside and just made it to some swirls around the cake. That's how it looks inside. This is the one I made today. So as I said, I just made a little bit of cream on top, and I put some peanut, and I cut a little bit of the Snickers. I put some gold on them just to decorate them, and I also put some gold around the cake. So this is it. This is my video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're having a great time. Thank you. Don't forget to share the video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the subscribe button and put the like if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.